Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve going out on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of going out on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Magic Tiles 3 and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.